In this topic we've got to work with surds, and I want to have a look at why we should work with surds. So if we solve this problem, this one's not a Pythagorean triad. We're looking for the hypotenuse, okay, the one that's opposite the right angle, the longest side. So we're going to use the formula c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So c in this case is going to be the x, so x squared equals 3 squared plus 5 squared. So x squared is 9 plus 25, which is 34. That means that if we square root both sides, x will be the square root of 34. In mainstream, what we would do is we'd put that into our calculator and we'd find that x is 5.8309518948. Okay, this is an irrational number, okay? It cannot be turned into a simple fraction. So what we do in mainstream is we round this down to 5.83. Now, this is a problem because if we are engineering and we're doing a series of triangles, what will happen is we'll end up carrying an error that will continue to get larger. So what we would do to avoid this is we would continue by using the square root of 34 and leave it in this format as we went through further problems. That way, this answer is absolute, okay? It is 100% accurate and we won't lose any degrees of accuracy during that